All right, so let's look at that scavenger hunt that you guys were having problems with. Let's see. Horizontal tangent, remember, is where the derivative is equal to 0. So I wanted y prime equal to 0. So you need to take the derivative, set it equal to 0, solve for x. Here requires product rule. The first one is just a straight derivative. This requires chain rule. Because remember, this can be written as e to the negative 1/2 x. So this was your inside function. Okay, sorry. Keep going through normal. So remember, tangent line, slope. You go opposite reciprocal. To find the normal line slope, you're going to need to use quotient rule for this. Here you're going to take f prime of x and you're going to set it equal to 1/2 and then solve for x. I'm not getting you any of the answers because, like, you've already seen, like, the answers because they're there, right? Okay, so again, tangent line, normal line. This requires chain rule. Because remember, this is something to the 1/2 power, which is 3x squared plus 2x. Y double prime. Tangent line, but this is going to be product rule. Tangent line again. Again, this is a chain rule. This here will be a product rule. This is like a normal one. Like in the first couple of objectives that you guys had. Derivatives, so remember, this is 4 to the x squared. So my inside function is x squared, so this requires chain rule. And then remember, e to the land of x is just equal to x. That's a property of logs. Here, this requires product rule. Normal line, we already talked about. This requires quotient rule. This requires chain rule, but remember, you have outside, inside, but within the inside, there's a 3x and a negative 3x. That makes a second inside function. A second one when you do the derivatives of both of those. Talked about tangent. Your outside function is your squared, and then the inside function is your sine. Again, here's your inside function. Here's your outside function. This one requires a lot of effort. So you're going to take the product rule of this, and then you're going to get something, and you see how there's like a whole bunch of stuff. It's because when I do this h prime of x, so secant x, 4x cubed plus x to the 4th, secant x, tangent x. What ends up happening is right here, this here is a like double product rule. So when you have the first, right, secant x, tangent x, and then you have 4x cubed, then you have plus x to the 4th. But when you do the derivative of secant tangent, that is a product rule within itself. So it's tangent times the derivative of secant plus secant times the derivative of tangent. So that's where it gets to be a big fat mess, is right right here. That one's a big, huge mess. Okay? All right, this is chain rule. This is on the inside. That guy's on the outside. And then that is it for your scavenger hunt.